Have you ever thought about the possibility of buying a fixer-upper, but ended up turning it down because of all the work it may take? I'm Janelle Stuckwish with Coldwell Banker, and today I'm sharing 7 real-life renovations that prove you shouldn't overlook that fixer-upper. In today's market, the low home inventory we're experiencing has caused many buyers to put on their creative thinking hats, and taking on a fixer-upper is one way to find a house with possibility and turn it into the home of your dreams. These 7 YouTubers have enhanced everything from 80s style homes to Victorian style homes and turned them into something truly unique. I'll share the link to the blog below, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on the fixer-upper and the first project you'd want to tackle if you bought one.